Now consider this. What if you could earn $12 for every song you listen to? I mean, do you think that's even possible? Isn't that amazing? I remember back in the day when I was in high school and college, I was always listening to music. And the funniest thing was that I was making no money. I really wish I had come across some videos like this one that you're looking at so I could have made some good money during my free time, working from home with nothing but a smartphone. I mean, this is insanely cool. It's completely free and it works in almost every country. You'll be surprised at what you're about to see in the next 10 minutes. But first, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos about making money online. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. Okay guys, as usual, I'll teach you exactly how to do this step by step. Make sure you don't miss any of the video segments. So, first and foremost, I want you to go to google.com right now and type in the keyword playlist push. Then click search, and this is what you'll see. The first website that would pop up on top would be Playlist Push, Playlist Music Teaching Device. I want you to click on that link right now, and once you click on that link, this is what you're going to see. The website looks exactly like this, as you can see right here, connecting artists to playlist curators. So, this is the website where you're going to make $12 every single song that you listen to. But there are a few tactics and other websites that I want to share with you throughout the video, and if you can combine them all, you can effectively boost and multiply the amount of money you can make on one single website for free. As a result, the more insights and strategies you can take away and utilize from this video, the more money you can make. And so for today's strategies, you and I, as complete beginners, are actually the playlist curators. I'm going to explain to you how it works, but right now I want to show you some statistics and some numbers on their actual website. They have also been featured on many big brands and companies, including Medium and Fortune as well. Plenty of good testimonials and reviews, and that's the reason why I want to share this opportunity with you on this video. So, step number 2. I want you to hover your mouse and click on For Curators on the top right-hand corner, and on the next page of this website, you are going to see Monetize and Grow Your Playlist. When you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see Get paid to review songs. We pay you to listen and review songs. If you like it, we ask you to consider adding it into one of your playlists. And that is where you can earn $12 for every song. I want you to imagine, for one song, you're earning $12. That's about $120 every single day by just listening to music. Isn't that amazing? There are so many things you can do with that money. You may start planning your next vacation, pay your bills, and make your car payment. There are literally thousands of ways to spend that sum of money. This website's finest feature is that it pays out on a weekly basis. Other companies pay out once a month or have a minimum withdrawal restriction. However, this service pays out every Friday without fail and will deposit funds directly into your PayPal account. Unlike other websites, this one does not have a point system that is converted, nor does it have gift cards or anything like that. Just some cold hard cash into your PayPal account. Isn't it incredible? However, there is a catch. On Spotify, Deezer, or Apple Music, you must have at least 400 followers. This is what deters a lot of newbies who come to this website thinking, hey, I can make so much money just listening to music, only to discover later that they must meet this condition or requirement before they can make money. I'm not going to reveal to you the exact plan right now. I'll show you the step-by-step instructions, the free website, and the many approaches that you can get started right away after this video. And when you put them all together, you can quickly obtain 400 followers from scratch. Stick with me until the end of this video to learn how to develop your Spotify followers from 0 to 400. That's what we'll be talking about in today's video because it's a lot easier than using Deezer or Apple Music. And after you've gained your first 400 Spotify followers, you can either listen to the music and write a 1 to 2 minute review or simply add the music to your existing playlist, and you'll be able to make $12 over and over. Now this isn't just one of those get-rich-quick schemes, but if you put in the work, which I'll show you how to do, you'll earn those followers and then it'll be easy money for you. It's the same $12 every time. Unlimited. Before I show you the actual strategy and a few websites that can quickly help you gain 400 followers, I want to show you how you can sign up and get a free account. I want you to hover your mouse and click on the Sign Me Up button. This will take you to another page where you can sign up as a curator. Once you click on that button, you're going to be redirected to the Spotify website. If you have a Spotify account, you just have to log in to your Spotify account, or you can also do this via Facebook. But if you don't have an account on Spotify, just go on and create a free account by clicking on this Sign Up for Spotify, and you'll be asked to put in your email, password, your nickname, your date of birth, and your gender. Click on this one, and I'm Not a Robot, and click on Sign Up. You'll need your Spotify account to log into your Playlist Push account. Once you get 400 followers, you'll be able to review different songs, and for each one, you'll be rewarded $12, which will be sent to your PayPal account every week. Now, the first website that I want to introduce to you today is Reddit. You can go to reddit.com/r/Spotify. Reddit is a free-to-join forum. As you can see right here, there are a lot of members engaging and posting on this forum, and you can see right there that there are so many playlists that people share on this forum. What they are doing is that they create a playlist on Spotify and they come up with a theme. Maybe it's about hip-hop or maybe it's about acoustic. So they come up with a playlist and they share it on Reddit forums. And by that, they're going to get listens and a lot of impressions. And people on this forum might come across their post and might actually follow them on Spotify. This is how they gain free followers on very targeted forum, because all of the people, all the members that join this forum are interested in music. And there's a very high chance that they're going to follow your playlist as long as you put in something really good. Just share them on reddit.com/r/Spotify. This is the first method to quickly get your first 400 followers. If you want to sign up for a free account, just hover your mouse and click on this blue sign up button, and there will be a pop-up window. Just put in your email address and click Next, and put in your password and click Register, and create a free account, and you can begin posting and sharing your playlist on the website. So right now, let us go on to the second website, which is playlists.net. On this website, you can basically share, post, and upload your playlist. As you can see, there are so many playlists, and every day, a lot of people who love music are going to visit this website and listen to the different playlists. So with this website, you're going to get so many followers as well. All you have to do is just go on and click on this Submit a Playlist button. And once you click on that, you can see that you must be logged in and connected with Spotify in order to submit your playlists. But if you don't have an account, go on and click on this red login button. And there will be a pop-up where you can see Login or Register. If you are completely new right here and not a member yet, just click on Register, and you're going to be redirected to a new page as you can see right here. Put your name, username, country, email, your password, and click on this red Register button. And that's all you need to begin submitting your playlist off Spotify right here on playlists.net. And they're going to recommend and promote your playlist, and that's going to generate so many followers on complete autopilot. All of these websites are simple and straightforward. Once you've created a free account and created your playlist, simply head to these websites and share them, and you'll be able to gain a lot of followers in a matter of days. You'll be able to reach 400 followers in around 3 to 4 days, and from there, you'll be able to earn $12 on playlistpush.com by simply reviewing and listening to music. And so last but not the least, we're going to go into the third website, which is soundplate.com. On this website, you can basically promote a Spotify playlist, and you're going to get a lot of followers. All you need to do is just go and click on this plus playlist, as you can see right here. You'll see it saying, grow your Spotify or Deezer playlists with our website and free submission system. And again, this is something very similar to playlist.net. These are all the 3 ways that, if you combine them all, will allow you to swiftly get your first 400 followers. That's all you need to start and qualify as a curator on playlistpush.com. And you can start doing some paid per review work that pays $12 a song and is paid out weekly into your PayPal account. If you enjoy these types of videos, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button so that you can view all of my videos that talk about different ways to make money online. See you in the next video!